In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Docusign account after receiving an invitation. Whether you've been added as a signer or a team member, these simple steps will help you access your account in no time. Let's dive right in. First, check your email inbox for an activation email from Docusign. This email is your gateway to getting started, so make sure you look for it in your primary folder, or, if need be, check your spam or junk folder just in case it landed there. Once you've located the email, open it. Inside, you'll find a button labeled either Activate or Review Document. Clicking this button is your next move. It's the key step in this process, so go ahead and give it a click. After clicking, you'll be directed to a page where you'll set up your personal account details. This is the time to input your name, choose a secure password, and answer a few security questions. These security questions will act as a protective layer for your account, so make sure you select questions that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once you've filled in this information, look for another button, this time labeled either Activate or Continue. By clicking it, you'll finalize your setup process. Now, congratulations! Your Docusign account is active and you're ready to start using it. Remember, whether you'll be signing documents or collaborating with your team as a member, having an active account is your first step. In case you face any hiccups along the way, Docusign offers a variety of support resources to help you troubleshoot. You might want to bookmark the Docusign support page or reach out to their support team for further assistance. Now you're all set to explore the benefits of your active Docusign account. You can seamlessly sign documents, manage agreements, and collaborate with others securely and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe